Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video in the official Transloco guide. I'm Shachar Kazaz, a member of the Transloco core team, and in this video, we're going to cover how to install Transloco in an Angular project. I've created a new Angular project using the Angular CLI. To add Transloco, all we need to do is run the ngneat Transloco command. As part of the installation process, you will be presented with questions. Once you answer them, everything you need will be created automatically for you. So the first question is, which languages are we going to support in our project? We will use the default for now, English and Spanish. Next, are we using server-side rendering? We will select no for now. Let's take a close look at the generated files. Transloco creates boilerplate files for the requested translations. As we can see, there is a new i18n folder under Assets, which holds two JSON files, one for each language we support. Next, it will create a new file, the Transloco root module, which exposes an Angular module with the default configuration and injects it into the app module. As you might have noticed, it also sets an HTTP loader into the module's providers. The HTTP loader is a class that implements the Transloco loader interface. It's responsible for instructing Transloco how to load the translation files. It uses Angular HTTP client to fetch the files based on a given path. A Transloco config file was also created. We will talk about him in later videos. Let's try and run the project to make sure everything is working as expected. Great! Let's add a small example. The first thing we want to do is create a new translation. We'll go to our en.json file, which holds our app's translation keys and values. Let's add a new key called hello, and let's give it a value of hello world. Now let's use that translation key in our apps template. So we'll just remove all that Angular CLI stuff and just add, this is our hello key, and we're gonna fetch the value by using the Transloco pipe. Let's save. And as we can see, the translation value has appeared on screen. So now that we have it up and running, we can start using Transloco. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.